when it was though, maybe yesterday. But anyway, I was just sitting here chilling. Bet I do life for all the time that I'm killing, but that's okay, doing nothing is nice. Give me one chance and I bet I do it twice. It's kinda like deja vu. It's kinda like deja vu. It's kinda like